Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumbul, and today we're diving into a review of a true classic in the world of coffee making, the Bialetti 1164 Moka Express coffee maker. This is a 4-cup aluminum coffee maker that's renowned for its quality and heritage. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Bialetti Moka Express is made in Italy and patented by Alfonso Bialetti himself. This isn't just any coffee maker, it's the original stovetop coffee maker. Its iconic octagonal shape not only looks stylish but is designed to diffuse heat perfectly for that rich, aromatic coffee. One of the standout features of this coffee maker is its patented safety valve. This valve is incredibly easy to check and clean, ensuring that your coffee maker remains in top-notch condition for years to come. Safety is always a priority, and Bialetti has certainly kept that in mind. Now, let's see it in action. The Bialetti Moka Express is compatible with both gas and electric stovetops, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. With a capacity of 0.19 liters, it can brew up to 4 cups of rich, delicious coffee. Perfect for starting your day or sharing with friends and family. The process is simple. Fill the bottom chamber with water, add your favorite ground coffee to the filter, assemble the pot, and place it on your stove. In just a few minutes, you'll hear that familiar gurgling sound, and your coffee is ready. The taste is robust and authentic, a true Italian experience in every cup. Overall, the Bialetti 1164 Moka Express coffee maker